Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to our own. So here I already have my Instagram open and you should do so. And whenever you open the Instagram application, the application will be bring you in the home sections here. So to repost the post, we need to check either someone already tagged us on their Instagram story or not by go click this inbox or DM button. And after that, if someone mention you on their story, there will be pop up here that mentions you in their story, so you just need to go click it. And after that, you just need to open it, or you can also directly click this add to your story. And now you already have this on your story, and you can also do resizing the story by pinch it with two of your finger to make it like ultra zoom if you want to make it. But if you want to like have a fit into your frame, you just need to go click the post and there will be pop up here. If you want to make it bigger, just click back and zoom it by your own. So whenever you're done, you can just go click at your story. And now you just need to wait, and you just need to go back and find out either the story is already uploaded or not. By waiting. Now the story is already posted into your own story, so that's the way how to repost someone else's Instagram into our own. And hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and some subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.